You guys, I am so happy. It's so much cooler just with this little itty bit of insulation. I'm like working on other things and I'm not sweating profusely. I'm so happy. And this shit ain't even done yet. We're back, baby. Okay, attempt number 1 at getting this. Okay. Oh, ha. There's something there for me. Let's see. I don't know if it's straight. Oh, I don't. Oh. Follow the lines in the ceiling. That's what we're doing. Sometimes it's like, who? What? You're gonna do what? Okay. Okay. How do I find the hole again? I think I need to go get a step stool. Please hold. Oh my god. Doing it. Yeah. I'm a little nervous. I think I have to trust myself on this one. And trust construction. Yeah. It's gonna be alright. This is a 1x4, in case you're tracking. I must say, I'm pretty strong. It's gonna hold ceiling panels and, what's the other thing? Cabinetry. Woo! Alright, now for numero 2. I must say, I am really grateful to my past self for not cutting these 2 specific pieces of wood shorter. Yesterday when I was starting this specific project, I had cut 2 different planks of this wood, this 1x4, cut them down, and so I only have 2 of this length left. I think these are 12 feet, 10 or 12. Here we go. Oh, I was doing this one. Oh, I'm getting so good at this. Yes. Yes. Oh. Shit. Talking mushrooms. I gotta redo that hole. This plank didn't go all the way up to the wall, and we need it to for support purposes. Sorry, plank. Okay. There we go. Good job, good job, good job. I think I'm just gonna go straight for my second one up here. Oh, yes. Feels so flipping good. I almost went forward first and I stopped myself. And I'm so glad I did, because this wasn't all the way here. Man, y'all, this is awesome. I am so happy about all this. Fun fact, which I didn't exclusively do a video with, but the bed frame holds up. I'm telling you what, I can already tell you how rewarding it's going to be sitting in a forest after having built my home So remember how yesterday I said I was cutting these boards down sort of unknowingly, and I'm grateful that I left these too long? Well, the two that I cut down, I happened to cut exactly how I needed them, in a way that I didn't know I needed them. So these are going to go between fan to fan, and they are quite literally perfect. Ah, God bless. Whew. Hot. It's warm. So let's see here. What if I follow these lines? What do you think? I go here and here. What do we think, friends? Should I go in more? Okay. Fun fact, these have become my absolute favorite screws. They are self-drilling. I've used them for multiple projects. They are holding up my bed frame. They are holding up my ceiling. I'm sure they will hold up much more, including my cabinets and counters and closets. So, Everbuilt, you rock. Also, this size and everything has just been perfect. Very versatile. 10 out of 10 recommend. Can we do it? Yes, we can. Okay, this is what we're going with. Okay. Okay. That's gonna be good enough to check everything. That's pretty short. Shit. That's okay. One, I can't make it longer, but I can make it work. Man, y'all gotta be your own biggest fan. I say that about business, I'm saying this right now. You gotta fucking believe you can do shit and not listen when people tell you you can't. Because if I listen every time someone told me I can't, I wouldn't be doing shit. I sound like my dad. He huffs and puffs during the entire work. I understand this part. This is freaking cool, guys. Drilling upwards is challenging. Another solid piece. I drilled up this temporary board because my current dilemma is making sure that these two pieces are exact in their placement in relation to each other, because if not, I'm going to make framing my fans very difficult for myself. That's good. That'll do, donkey. Yes, I am a Shrek age millennial. Shout out to the rest of y'all. Okay, so we've got 4 beams up, and that might be sort of all of them. I'm gonna make sure to frame the fan, and I'm already starting the pre-wiring for the lighting and switches and such. So stay tuned. I also need to get this is a lot of steps for the ceiling. Installation, pre-wiring, framing. So we are taking a break from the framing. I started to pre-wire and then I'm like, I need to insulate. So I got this reflective insulation as a thermal barrier. One, it's nice and thin, and I will be able to pair it with the denim that I have. This might even be, I don't think it's thick enough, but it's a nice extra barrier. So I'm gonna do that and then get the pre-wiring going, because then there's the puck lights. This is an interesting project because there's so many components going up at the same time. You'll see some of this in the electrical video as far as the puck lights and pre-wiring go, where I explain that. So this is my recycled denim insulation that I'm pretty excited about. It already seems better. Let me try to show you. Thinsulate. So 3M Thinsulate acoustic. You know I'm a podcaster, so being able to, guys, you see my mess right now? You see my wires like, ooh, I'm excited. It's not quite as long, so I'll go longer. Oh, ha, that's pretty perfect. So I'm gonna lay this all out, and then it's gonna go up here. Woo! The order I'm going in is the Radiant Barrier first, Thinsulate second. Getting an arm workout for sure. Okay. Ha! It's working! Shit's working! This is a good day. I'm telling you what, I set intentions for this to be a good day, and it's a good day. Don't forget to set your intentions. We got it up. So now it's time for pre-wiring these ceiling lights, the puck lights. I'm so excited, and I just can't hide it. Okay, so these are gonna string around. That's what I'm gonna do next. Guys, it's already 3 degrees cooler in here. I am stoked. It's like the same temperature outside, but I mean, if you touch the roof of the van, it's like, and now there's a barrier between it. Feels so good. It feels so good. Okay, so as you can see, almost done. I still have some work to do all around. Gonna use every bit of this. There's not much left. It's going good though. I'm stoked. It's happening. I just did all the measurements for the one panel. So this could go terribly wrong or perfectly awesome or somewhere in the middle, but I am going to attempt. I measured the fan and where I want the lights, and I'm gonna do the cutting outside, and then I'm gonna pop this sucker up in the ceiling.
Really quick, so when you're doing that, release the pressure just a little bit, and then it'll stop losing it.
Good idea. It's like you know what you're doing. So then, like that.
And then it'll stop it from losing it.
Sweet. Cool. Oh my gosh. I wish I knew that 3 weeks ago. Okay, and then it
so
goes far towards you.
Is the wire going to come this way?
Yeah, exactly. So I need to do that and do that. What's this one? Oh, I see. Okay. We're a little sideways there. Okay.
Sideways, are you?
And then push towards me. There we go.
Look good.
Yeah, that's it right there. Woo! Accoutrements. Okay, maybe could it come closer? Could you punch it this way? Okay.
Yeah?
Yeah.
May I take your order, please?
Cool. Okay.
All right.
I'll see you later.
Have fun at the
Thank you, thank you, thank you.
You're welcome.
So good. So good.